Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to work on Google Docs in offline. So guys, let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my computer, so you can also use this process for your device also, Android device or iOS device. So I'm on Android for my Google Drive. So let me open Google Docs. Okay, so you can go directly to the Google Docs also. Just click on Google Docs, so Google Docs will be open. Okay, so just go to my site. Go to the Google Docs site, then Google Docs will be open. You can see my all saved file. So there are setting you have to do if you want to if you want to use any file in offline. So first you open the Google Docs with the same email ID and go to the three-line option here and go to the setting first. Okay, and here this is by default off, but you need to on it because this will be setting up the offline work. And here you can see open and edit your recent Google Docs file on this device while offline. Okay, so this is work only for this device. Okay, so if you're using the new device, then you have to open your Google Drive in this device, and you have to open also you have to on this option on this device also. Okay, just on this and just click OK. Then this will be setting up. Now choose the file. Okay, so if we want to uh, if I want to operate this file in offline, so I have to go in this three dot option in bottom and go to the and I have to on this available offline, so it will be available me in offline. Okay, so whenever I got lost my internet, so I can edit open this file in Google Drive. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.